You little creative geniuses, are you ready to draw something absolutely mind-blowing? Begin with a triangle so sharp it could cut through steel, narrow at the bottom, wider at the top. Now, let's pile on that ice cream goodness. Do you have a soft spot for ice cream? 'Cause I'm telling you, this stuff is a bomb. Can you almost taste the crispy waffle cone? It's beyond scrumptious. Holy cow! Feast your eyes on your epic ice cream masterpiece. Give me a high five, you artistic genius. Wanna keep the creativity flowing? Keep on drawing. And most importantly, have an absolute blast. Now, let's make that ice cream explode with color. Today, we're diving into the rainbow palette red. Begin with fiery red up top. Are you pumped? Let's kick things off at the top. Orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Then move on to vibrant orange. Time for a magical rainbow swirl. Now, sunny side up yellow. Watch those colors blend together in pure harmony. Keep it rolling emerald green like fresh grass. Do a little victory dance. You creative superstar, you've just conjured up some rainbow magic. Cool blue like a clear sky. Gosh, it's looking so delectable. Catch you later, alligator. Until next time. And last but not least, regal purple. Wowza! Onto the cone. Let's make it shimmer like a golden brown crispy waffle. Take a gander at that, the most vibrant, joy-inducing ice cream cone in existence. Keep those creative juices flowing and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe.